I am going to talk about the law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect is the foundation of Buddhism. If we compare Buddhism to a tree, the law of cause and effect represents the roots and the trunk. Without roots, the tree would surely die. If the trunk were cut, the tree would fall over. Without understanding the law of cause and effect, there is no way to understand Buddhism. Why is this? Well, Buddhism is the teachings of Shakyamuni Buddha. All of his sermons have been recorded in writing. The entire compilation of Buddhist teachings is called the Complete Sutras, which total more than 7,000 volumes. The principle that underlies each and every one of these sutras is the law of cause and effect. You can probably tell then just how essential the law of cause and effect is for understanding Buddhism. Now, what is meant by cause and effect? In Buddhism, it is taught that whenever something happens, no matter what it is, it happens because there is a cause. There is no effect that occurs without a cause, even once in a million or billion cases. Sure, there are cases where the causes are unknown. For example, we might not know the cause of an aeroplane crash, in which the aeroplane has sunk to the bottom of the ocean. However, the cause being unknown and the cause being non-existent are two completely different things. Perhaps the crash happened because the plane got into air turbulence or because of an engine problem. In any case, an aeroplane crash occurred because there was a cause. A plane would never crash without a cause. All phenomena in this world, no matter how small they are, always have their respective causes. If you dropped your wallet and lost it, it happened because you weren't paying attention or because you had a hole in your pocket. Whatever the cause, it exists without fail. If you stumbled over a rock, fell and hurt yourself, it also happened due to a cause. Next, what is meant by a law? A law refers to something that penetrates the 3 worlds and the 10 directions. The phrase, the 3 worlds, refers to the worlds of the past, the present, and the future. In other words, it means at any time. The phrase, the 10 directions, refers to north, south, east, west, the 4 points between these, and up and down. In other words, it means anywhere. that never changes, regardless of time and place, is known as a law in Buddhism. Something that held true in the past, but no longer holds true today, cannot be called a law. Likewise, what is considered right in Japan, but wrong in the United States, cannot be called a law either. A law is something that is valid in Japan, in China, in India, and everywhere else. The truth that does not change and remains valid at all times and in all places is considered to be a law. In Buddhism, such a law has been taught for 2,600 years. That is, that there is no effect that happens without a cause, and that wherever there is a cause, an effect will always follow. To put it simply, seeds not planted will never grow. Seeds planted will never fail to grow. Buddhism in particular teaches us in detail about the matter that concerns us the most, which is the relationship between the cause and effect of happiness. If you don't understand this law of cause and effect, you won't be able to understand either Buddhism or the teachings of Master Shinran. Let us learn about the law of cause and effect in more detail.